What if I told you that you can earn $50 to $100 an hour just by using water and soap? No college degree, no expensive office, and no boss. This is one of the most underrated businesses in the world. It has a low startup cost, but a huge profit margin. Today, I will show you how to start a profitable window cleaning business from scratch. We bring you real opportunities to make money. If you are ready to be your own boss, hit that like button and subscribe now. Let's get started. Why should you start a window cleaning business? The answer is simple. Every house, every shop, and every restaurant has windows, and nobody likes to clean them. This creates a massive opportunity for you. In countries like the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia, people happily pay $150 to $300 to get their house windows cleaned. And the best part? It only takes you 2 or 3 hours of work. Get your equipment. You do not need a fancy van or expensive machines to start. You can start with less than $100. Here is your shopping list. Number 1, a professional squeegee. Do not buy a cheap dollar store tool. Buy a good brand like Unger or Ettore. Number 2, a scrubber or a washer wand. Number 3, a bucket. And number 4, simple dish soap like Dawn or Fairy. That's it. You are ready to make money. Learn the skill. Window cleaning is not just wiping. It is an art. You need to learn the S-curve technique. Dip your scrubber in soapy water, scrub the glass, then use the squeegee to glide the water off without leaving streaks. Finally, wipe the edges with a dry microfiber cloth. Practice on your own windows first. When you are fast, you are profitable. How to get your first client. This is where most people fail, but you will not. There are 2 ways to get clients fast. First, storefronts. Go to your local shopping center. Walk into small shops and restaurants, offer to clean their front windows for a low price, or even for free just to show them your quality. Once they see the difference, they will hire you for a weekly service. Second, residential homes. Join local Facebook community groups. Post a before and after photo of a clean window. Write a simple caption like, "I'm a local student starting a window cleaning service. Message me for a free quote." Trust me, the messages will come. So how much should you charge? For small shops, charge $20 to $30 per visit. If you do 10 shops a week, that's $200 to $300 recurring income. For houses, charge by the window or a flat rate. An average house job can pay $200. If you do just 1 house a day, that's $6,000 a month. Window cleaning is a scalable business. Start with a bucket, then buy a van, then hire a team. The sky is the limit. Are you ready to start this business? Let me know in the comments, yes or no. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to Business Ideas English. We help you build your future. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.